everyone, I'm Blair from Bloom with Blair here on YouTube, and today I'm here with HomeGlow to share 4 steps to removing years of soap scum off your bathroom tiles. So let's start with the basics. What causes soap scum? Soap scum is created when soap or body wash mixes with the minerals in hard water. This creates a film that clings to surfaces and can be hard to remove. But with the help of a little elbow grease, we can get the job done. Soap scum can be built up over years and can be a challenge to remove. First, I'm going to start off by mixing 1/2 cup vinegar and 1/2 cup baking soda in a bowl to create a paste. If you'd like some help keeping your bathroom nice and clean and soap scum free, HomeGlow is here to help. You can always book an affordable, high-ranking cleaner on HomeGlow. Next, I'm going to smear that paste all over the towels, paying close attention to the grout. Next, I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes to let the paste sit on the tiles before scrubbing. After those 15 minutes are done, I'm going to take my soft bristled brush and I'm going to scrub my tiles, also paying close attention to the grout as well, using a little bit of elbow grease if needed. And just like that, I can already see a difference. My grout is still wet, but when it dries, I know these towels will look brand new. These 4 steps are a game changer. So that's it for this video, you guys. If you like more tips like these, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon. Bye.